Before we get to creating our player's UI, let's go ahead and create gems for our player to collect. So if you remember from the previous videos on the intro to tile map, we can basically paint a prefab. And that prefab is going to be our diamond. So what we want to do is we want to paint this across our map just so we can collect some of them. But the goal here is that we want them to watch a Unity ad that will then reward them enough gold to purchase more items. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to allow you to collect a few items, but if you want to be able to afford anything in the shop, you're going to have to watch an ad. And we'll be able to trigger that when you enter the shop. So let's go ahead and make it so that we can actually paint some of these tiles. Now to do this, what we have to do is go into our tiles, and we're going to create a new type. So we're going to select, right-click our tiles folder. We're going to create, and we're going to create a new brush. We're going to create, this is going to be a prefab brush at the top here. Once we've created this, we're going to rename it to diamond brush _ brush. And then we're going to assign it a prefab. So here the list size is going to be 1, and we're going to assign it the diamond. Once you've done that, we can then go into our 2D tile map mode by going to Window, Tile Palette. Let's go ahead and place that over here on the left. And what we can do now is we can change our default brush to our diamond brush. And once we've done that, we can then begin painting these diamonds. Just like that. So we'll go ahead and place them around our level to where our player can then collect them. Let's go ahead and position some here. And we just want to lightly paint them around our map. All right, and if you get one to where the player can't reach, it's no big deal, just erase it. Okay, so we have some diamonds here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to close my tile palette here. I'm going to close that. I'm going to select my player, and I'm going to drag him back up to where he initially started. So we'll go ahead and start him right about here. Let's go ahead and play the game. And let's make sure that we can collect these diamonds. And as you can see, we're collecting the diamonds. All right, we'll go ahead and make our way down to the shop. Okay, go down here. All right, so if we click and then we go into the shop, you'll see here that we have 27 diamonds that we collected. So one of the things that we're going to do here is we're going to make it so that when you enter the shop here, that if you don't have enough gems, then we will watch a Unity ad and we will award them, we'll say 100 gems for watching the ad. So we'll get into that later. But right now we have a game that is playable and you have gems to collect. I'll see you guys in the next video.